All right, dear children, welcome back to the class. In the previous class, we have seen a few things. The effects of refraction we have seen already. Have explained you all those things. Yes, already you are well versed with all those things. You can watch the recorded videos also, and the playlist is also made in the YouTube. You can watch there also. Now today we are going to discuss about one important phenomena. The name of that phenomena is scattering of light. What is the name of this topic, dear children? Today we are going to discuss about scattering of light. Very, very important topic, scattering of light. Very, very important. Yes. Due to this, whatever happens in the nature, some of the phenomena we are able to just understand due to the scattering of light. Yes, look at this beautiful world, beautiful, not world, always the world is beautiful. And look at this word also. Scattering means, what do you mean by getting scattered? Someone please explain me. Sanjana, explain me what is the meaning of scattering. Sanjana, explain me. The meaning of scattering. Anup, can you explain what is scattering?
Sir,
Yes,
sir,
scattered means what? Yes, tell me, please, Anup.
shall I tell?
Yeah, please, Krishna, please tell me.
Sir, scattering means spreading.
Scattering is spreading. Somebody is saying spreading. Yes, all right. Spreading. Yes, one good word he used, spreading. Then what else? Yes.
Also,
Hmm? Yes, please tell. Please tell me.
splitting of lights,
Splitting.
deviation of light rays.
Splitting. They are saying splitting. Then they are saying deviation. Deviation means already we discussed it as refraction, no? Deviation means we discussed is a refraction or not. It get deviates from its path and all. So this one
Yes,
we
sir.
have discussed is a refraction, no deviation. Splitting. Splitting means splitting into colors. You want to say splitting into different colors. You want to say hmm? Splitting into different colors means this phenomena splitting into different colors is there. No, this phenomena is called dispersion. What is the name of this phenomena, dear children? Dispersion. It is.
Dispersion.
Okay. Dispersion. Yes, I mean Newton's that wheel and all you know, right? Light has how many colors? Light
Seven
has how many colors? Seven colors are there. No, Vibgyor. Everybody knows about this
White light.
Vibgyor.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. So light has seven colors. Now that splitting of light into seven colors. So if you are passing through some medium, rainbow and all you must have seen, no? That is not scattering. That is dispersion. That is called dispersion of light. Understood, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes,
Now
sir.
scattering of light means let us try to understand that. Now, as I told you, light has seven colors, no, dear children? Light has seven colors. The first color is like violet. I don't know how exactly violet look like. Does it look like this violet? Little bit of like this violet? Yeah, maybe. So violet, no. So how this light means it is a wave, dear children. Light means what, dear children? Light means it is a wave. Yes or no? Wave means you understand sound waves and all you have heard about crust and trough in the previous class. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
violet
sir.
color, how it is? No, it is like this, dear children. Look at this. This is very small wavelengths like this. Look at this. One crust and one trough. I mean, not exactly like this. I'm just trying to show you. With red, I am going to explain here. If you go to red color, no. For example, if you are going to red color at the end, how does red color looks like? No, dear children, red color looks like the wave of red color looks like this. Very big it is. Look at this. I mean, this is the crust. This is the crust and this is the trough. And from starting of this crust to end of this trough is called wavelength, right? This is called as wavelength, right? Lambda.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So this red color, no, it is having largest wavelength. So whatever red color is there, don't write anything. Afterwards you can write. So whatever red color is there, no, dear children, red color is having highest wavelength. What it is having? Highest wavelength it is having. How about this violet color, dear children? As I was discussing about a violet color, this violet color, whatever it has, no. So it is having small wavelength. If you take just this line as the medium line, it looks like this. What is the wavelength of this violet color? Tell me, dear children. Small, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Next, after that, if you come to indigo, violet and indigo, little bit, I'm going to write the same thing. Violet and indigo, if you come to indigo, no, it is little bit bigger than this. Little bigger. Not too much bigger, little bigger than this. Wavelength is little bit more. Then after violet, indigo, next is blue, right? So if you come to blue color, so this blue color, look at this violet, indigo, blue, they are almost look like little similar. I mean, little bit bigger. Little bit bigger than this. Violet, indigo, blue. Next is green, no? So if you come to green, the wavelength is little bit more than that. Yeah, little bit bigger. Correct? Next, after violet, indigo, blue, green, next is yellow, right? Next is yellow, right? Yeah, yellow color. I mean, yellow color. Let us take this proper yellow here. Proper yellow. I don't know whether I will be able to get. So this yellow color is there, no? So it's, I mean, on white background, it doesn't look good. It is little bit bigger. Next one is orange. All right, dear children, are you understanding what I'm trying to say? Yes, orange is having little bit, I mean, much more bigger length. I mean, bigger than this. And red is having, I mean, actually red only I wrote it small, but red you can write in the next page also. So how does red look like, dear children? Red look like this. I mean, it is having the highest wavelength. Red is like, I mean, it is like a biggest wavelength. It is like this. Are you understanding my point, what I'm saying?
Yes,
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So what
Yes,
I'm
sir.
trying to say, lambda means what, dear children? Lambda means wavelength, no? Yeah. So when I write lambda V, what is the meaning of lambda V? Lambda V means wavelength of violet color. It is the lowest. Next is indigo. Next is blue. Violet, indigo, blue. Next is green. So if this continues, and what is the highest wavelength? Highest wavelength is of red. Is this clear, dear children? Whatever I have written here.
Yes, sir.
So is it understood? So red is having highest wavelength. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. What is the lowest wavelength? Violet is the lowest wavelength. Yeah. All right. Now look at this. Look at this. Now, for example, Earth is having so many particles. No, atmosphere of Earth has so many particles like this. Are they this much big? All those particles? No, right? I mean, they are small particles. No, dust particles and all. How they will be? They will be very small. No, small particles
Yes,
like
sir.
this. No. Yes or no? They are like very small particles like this. Very small. I mean, little bit bigger also. Sometimes water droplets are there. They're small. Can you see those particles all the time in your surrounding? Look at your room now. Are there any particles in your room or not?
No, sir.
No,
sir.
they are there. They are there. Particles are there. Can you see them?
No, sir. No.
If you want to see them at night, what you do? You just, close all the windows of your house and you leave one laser light or one beam of light from the torch. Are you able to see some dust particles in your room?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? They are visible, no? I mean, and don't say like their particles are not there. They are there, but you are not able to see them. Clear? Right now?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right. Now, what happens, dear children? To these particles, no? If this violet color is coming, violet color is very chotusa, right? Very small. I mean, violet color is coming here. I mean, okay, let me change the color first of all. So anyway, so this violet color is very chotu. I mean, it is coming. It is coming to this particle. Now, this violet color wavelength is smaller than this particle. Whatever this particle is there, no? This black colored particle. Black color means I'm just showing it to the particle. I mean, wavelength of this violet color, whatever it is there, no? This is smaller than this particle. Then what this particle will say? This particle, this black particle will say to this violet color, you are smaller than me. That's why you have to listen to me. Go in this direction. Go in this direction also. 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 I mean, it is just, what is it? What this particle is doing to violet color? It is scattering it in all the directions. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, scattering means to tell it in a very local language. I mean, somebody said spreading. Okay, somebody used that word of spreading. So to be precise in Kannada, I mean this the meaning of this scattering, to be precise, scattering ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಛಿದ್ರ ಆಗೋದು. ಏನಾಗೋದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಛಿದ್ರ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೋ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಟರಿಂಗ್, ಟು ಬಿ ಪ್ರಿಸೈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಮದರ್ ಟಂಗ್, ನೋ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್, ನೋ. Yes, you understand chidra now, rather than saying scattering is good, or saying chidra agudu is correct. Yeah, no, both are correct, but which one will you get more feel? Chidra ai hotu andre chalo ಅನಿಸೋದು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ feel ಬರ್ತದೋ. In scattering it got scattered, ಅಂದ್ರೆ feel ಬರ್ತದೋ. Tell me, no. Dear children, are you there? Chidra, it feels, no, because Kannada is our mother tongue. Okay, all right. Now consider the same case here. Also particles are there. Consider the same case with red color, no? I mean, now red is coming. Now red is coming here. Now how is red? Red is very big, no? I mean, let me consider these particles on this side so that it will be easy for me to show. Okay. Now here, I mean, all the particles are there on this side. All the particles are there. Okay. Now, if red color is coming, dear children, now how is red? Red is like very big, no? Is it like this? Yes? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is big, no? Now, when this red color comes to this particle, I mean, this particle, does this, I mean, red color consider for this particle? No, right? It just passes just like this, no?
Yes,
Yeah?
sir.
It do not, I mean, have any feel for the, look at this. This is a big one. This is like an elephant. An elephant is going. Can any ant can stop this elephant? No, right? Yes or no? Are you
Yes,
getting
sir.
my point? What I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Here it's
Sir.
like
Yes, sir.
a cat is coming. A cat is coming, and some other dog is standing here. A dog can stop a cat, right? This is smaller. This is having smaller wavelength. That's why these particles, they are bigger than this. What they do? They just, I mean, scatter. They send it in all the direction like this. Understood, dear children?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So the main point, what I want to tell you is that smaller wavelengths are scattered more, correct? Smaller wavelengths are scattered more, correct? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Smaller wavelengths are scattered more, and larger wavelengths are, it's not that they won't be scattered, they will also be scattered due to the particle size and all. Larger wavelengths are scattered less, correct? Understood? Did you get this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So larger wavelengths are scattered less. These are the two important points. Please make a note of all these things. Yes. Smaller wavelengths are scattered more, and larger wavelengths are scattered less. See, I have given you two extremities. One is of violet color and another is of red color. I gave you these two extremities, okay? Just to make you feel. I am not telling about that indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and all. Okay? So just to give you idea. So shall I go to next page, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right. In the next page, you see here, now in nature, what happens? We see different phenomena. Before going to that different phenomena, let me see. A body has no two types of colors. Any body it is that body has two colors, dear children. This is a 11th standard topic, actually, 11th and 12th standard topic. But still you understand this, so then only we'll get to know about this. Body has two colors. One is due to reflection. One is due to what? Reflection. One is due to reflection means how it is. For example, there is a body here, red colored body is there. Okay, there is a red colored body. I mean, this is a red sari or red shirt or red socks, red shoes, whatever it is, or a red person, whatever it is, that this is a red body is there, red colored body. Okay, so we have got this red colored body. Now why does it look red is because now on this what light falls, dear children? White light falls, no, on this. I'm showing it black so that on white background I'm showing it. I mean, what is the color of this light? A white light, no, dear children?
Yes,
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? Yeah. White light is falling. Now in this white light, how many colors are there?
7.
7 colors are there. Now all these 7 colors, whatever are there, no, in that 6 colors, whatever 6 colors are there, other 6 colors, those 6 colors are observed by this body. 6 colors are observed. This body, no, it observes 6 colors. 6 colors are observed. Okay, they are observed here. Now what it sends back? This body, no, it is sending back red color only. Like this, it is sending back. Yes or no? It is reflecting red color. Now you are seeing here. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ ಕಣ್ಣಿಂದ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಬಾಡಿ ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು
Red color.
are you
Red color.
understanding? So for example, I am wearing a blue shirt means why it is looking blue, dear children? White light is falling on my shirt. My shirt is observing violet, indigo, green, yellow, orange, and red, and it is sending back only blue color. That's why it looks blue. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now this body, whatever this body is there, no, this is not red because it is keeping red. No, it is sending back red. That's why it is looking red. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is due to reflection. Clear? Now in summer, they say in summer you have to wear what color you have to wear? Tell me. In summer, they say wear this color shirt. In summer.
Light color.
Yeah, in summer, light color they say, no? In summer, wear dash shirt. Light means what? Which light? I mean, usually what they prefer in summer? Tell me. Do they prefer white shirt in summer?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Why? Why white shirt? For example, if you are wearing a white shirt, this is a white shirt, for example. Okay. I don't know how to draw a shirt here. So if you are wearing a white shirt, okay, I'm sorry, dear children. Okay, this is the white shirt with all these buttons and all. Okay, now what happens on this? I mean, there is a person. You can draw one person also with all hand and all. Okay, I don't know whether he looks like one or not. Okay, he's having this white shirt. Okay, dear children. Now what happens on this light falls? No. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
White light falls. White light falls. This white shirt, why it is looking white? It is looking white because it is sending all the colors back to you. All the colors. Nothing is observed. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Nothing is observed. Everything is reflected back. Then how will you feel? You feel cool, no? You feel comfortable, no?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my point? What I'm trying to say? So that's why everything, all colors, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, all these colors are sent back to you. That's why it looks which color? White color it looks like. Okay, that's why you are supposed to wear white shirt in summer, they say, right? Clear, dear children?
Yes. Yes, sir.
I hope it is clear. Okay. Okay, all right. So fine. So what I was saying like body has two colors. One is due to reflection, and I have explained that. Another color of the body is due to emission. What is that? Due to emission. Emission is there in 11th class, but try to get a little bit idea about this emission. Now, have you seen iron, dear children? Have you seen iron bar?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you heat it, what color it will look like? Tell me. It looks red color, no?
Red. Yes, sir.
Why? Is it because of reflection? No, it is because of emission. After getting heated, no, it is producing some waves like this. It is emitting. Emitting means what? Sending outside. No, emitting means it is producing. So that is due to emission. Clear? So due to emission, it happens at high temperature. Whenever high temperature is there, no, it happens. Understood, dear children?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So a body looks any color because of two reasons. One is due to reflection, another is due to emission, and due to emission happens only at higher temperature. Is this understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So it is sending all red wavelengths like this. Okay, all red wavelengths it is sending. Okay, it is not reflecting, it is sending. That's why it looks red. Okay, all right. So this module, whatever I have explained here, no, this is there in 11th class. There is a chapter called thermal properties of matter in 11th class. What is the name of the chapter, dear children? Thermal properties of matter. Thermal means related to heat. Thermal properties of matter. Very beautiful chapter. Thermal properties of matter. Very, very beautiful chapter. Once your 10th standard is completed and you are connecting with us during your vacation, we'll complete this chapter. Thermal properties of matter. Very, very important. Very nice chapter. You will enjoy this chapter like anything. All right, dear children?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is due to emission. So this is like one is like, let me repeat, I am not going to bore you again. So we are discussing about actually scattering of light, dear children. So we got deviated from our topic a little bit. We're discussing about scattering of light. We discussed about scattering of light, and we with this dispersion also came here a little bit. So light has 7 colors, and the wavelength of the violet is like lowest, and wavelength of red is highest. Please turn off your mics, dear children, please. Yeah. Then violet, smaller wavelengths are scattered more and larger wavelengths are scattered less. Remember this. Then after that, body has 2 colors due to reflection. Okay, this reflection happens at any temperature, at normal temperature, room temperature only. And we have one more thing, that is like in summer and all, we discuss this extra thing also. This is the main topic of Kalparuksha classes. Main topic as in main specialty of Kalparuksha classes is that it provides you entire package, not only the syllabus. Okay. So another is like due to emission at higher temperature, and this we are going to study in 11th class. Okay, now let us come back to topic. Now, have you observed that, dear children, our sky, no? I mean, our sky looks like little bit blue color, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Sky looks blue, right? I mean, not too much dark blue. It's not like dark blue. It looks, I mean, a little bit of light blue, right? Light blue. It looks like, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is
Yes,
it
sir.
like somebody went there and painted it a light blue and came back?
No,
No,
sir.
right?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
And sometimes it looks little red also, no? During sunrise and sunset, it looks red also, no? Little bit.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Little orange, yellow, and red mixed together. Yellow, orange, red mixed together. How it feels like, it looks like that. No, it is not like pitch red. I mean, fully, completely red. No, I mean, it is like red plus yellow plus orange mixed together. It looks like that. No,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
And blue also, it is not like complete blue. It's like violet, indigo, and blue mixed together. No, it looks like that. No, violet, indigo, and blue mixed together. It becomes light blue. No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, why it happens, we are going to see this. Okay, all right, Ethan. Now look at this. Now we have this we have our beautiful Mother Earth. So already I discussed about Mother Earth in the previous classes. Okay, how we have to be treating our body, where we gathered this body. We gathered this body from Mother Earth, and we have to give it back to Mother Earth only. Till then, we have to keep it. I mean, this is the greatest gift what we have received, right? Our body is the greatest gift. I mean, experience all this life because of this body only, no, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I mean,
sir.
did you enjoy your dinner yesterday night or not?
Yes, sir.
Did you
Yes, sir.
enjoy breakfast? Did you enjoy breakfast also, lunch also, tea also, coffee also, biscuits also, snacks also, ice cream also? Yeah? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, dear children? So we are enjoying everything through our body and mind. Okay. So this is like our beautiful Earth, Mother Earth. Why I call it as Mother Earth? Because she is nourishing. Okay, fine. So all right. So around this Earth, there are so many particles, no, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Or particles are not there. See around Earth, I mean, there are so many particles. No, they are not too much big. They are small, no, like this. They are smaller, bigger. Yes, they are all there, no, in our atmosphere.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no? So many particles are there around Earth. Yes, you know about so many. Some are big, some are small, like that. These particles are there. Okay. Now on these particles, light comes no from sun. Yes or no? Light comes or no?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Now once light has reached here, now this light is having how many colors? Violet, indigo, blue,
7.
green, yellow, orange, red. Everything is there. Now what happens to red color? Now this part, I mean, I want to show you here. This particle is there. What happens to red color? Red color is like, I am the big guy. I won't get scattered. I'll just go like this. Red goes like this, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Same is the case with yellow also. Yellow will also say, I mean, I am smaller than red, but I am also big only. So I will also pass over you like this. It also passes, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, same is the case with the green. I mean, after violet, indigo, blue, after violet, indigo, blue, have you seen the sky to be green anytime?
No, sir.
No, right? Whatever this green, yellow, orange, red are there, no, they just pass over this like this is green, okay? So they just pass like this, okay? Green, you can take a green color like this also. So all these wavelengths, what happens? No, they just pass over this particle, whatever this particle is there, no. So this particle is silently sitting here, but all these wavelengths are big. These are big guys. Please turn off your mic. Yeah, these big guys, no, what they do, they just pass over this. Clear, dear children?
Yes.
Now, how about these smaller guys? Look at these smaller guys. Violet, indigo, blue. This green, yellow, orange, red, so they went. I mean, they are like they passed over all the particles. Now, violet, indigo, blue are remaining. Now, this particle, no, this particle is having this much size. Now, whenever this violet, indigo, and blue, I mean, let me take it blue only a little bit. When they look at this shade, I mean, violet, indigo, blue, it looks like sky looks like little bit like this, no? I mean, lighter blue. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. I mean, this kind of color, due to that, I mean, let me take violet only, no problem. So violet, it comes, no? So it is like smaller chotu, it is there. Now this particle, what it is doing, it is scattering this particle here, 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 like this. How many particles are there? There are so many particles. There are so many particles. Here is also one particle. Here also one particle. Here also one particle. Here also one particle. Everywhere these kind of particles are there. Right, dear children? So all these particles, no, around the earth only they are there. Now these particles, what they are doing? They are, I mean, scattering all these colors, no? All this, I mean, whatever comes, it is scattered. Whatever comes, it is scattered. So whatever comes, it is scattered. Right, dear children? Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, whenever they are scattering, they are sending what kind of light they are sending? They are sending violet light. Now, this particle is sending what color of light? Violet light it is sending, no, outside? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, what color this will look like? This will look like a violet color to me, no? Violet, indigo, blue. I mean, that color it looks like, no? All these particles?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Whatever they send out, they look like that, no, dear children? Now look at this, these particles, no, whatever are there, what color they are sending us back? Outwards, they are like sending violet, indigo, and blue, no, mixed together. This particle is, all these particles are sending that color, means they look that color only, no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my point? I mean, they are looking like what color they are sending, what color they send, that color only they look like, no? So all these are sending violet, indigo, and blue. They are scattering all these colors, and I mean, due to that mix of that all those colors, no? So all those colors, whatever they are mixed together, they form a light blue like this. Okay, there is not like sky means it is not some blanket or something like. I mean, sky means these are the particles only. Now, what color they are looking? All particles. Now they are. ನಾನು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ದೂರ ದೂರ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾವು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಮೀಪ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಸಮೀಪ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಬ್ಲೂ ಶೇಡ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬ್ಲೂ ಶೇಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಜೊತೆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ? ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ. ಯಾ
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding, dear children, what I'm trying to say? Now, how do they look? They look, I mean, the sky looks like blue color, no? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my point? What I'm trying to say? Okay, that's why sky looks blue. I mean, sky looks blue. Why? The simple answer for sky looks blue is, what is the answer for this? The simple answer is, sky looks blue due to, scattering of light. Due to scattering of light. This is a reason. 1 mark. Why sky looks blue? 1 mark if they're asking. Due to scattering of light. Rather than saying scattering of light, You have to say scattering of smaller wavelengths, due to scattering of smaller wavelengths, like smaller wavelengths like violet, indigo, blue. Now you may be asking, do you have any doubt like, sir, violet is having a much more, I mean, it is the lowest wavelength. Why sky do not look violet? Has anyone has that doubt? Anyone has that doubt, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if you're having, I mean, our eyes are not sensitive to this violet and indigo color. Our eyes are sensitive to blue color. Now look at, I mean, if you're looking at me and I'm holding two colors, one is like violet and another is blue. Which color will you see very quickly? Blue color, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We see blue color quickly, right? Our eyes are sensitive to blue color. Our eyes are not sensitive to violet and indigo. That's why, due to shades of all this violet, indigo, and blue, we see lighter blue color like this. Is this understood, dear children?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, clear. Is it clear? I mean, beautifully explained, and you understood beautifully this concept. Will you be able to explain it to other people also?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, I hope you should be able to understand this concept. Now, everybody wrote this, no? Everything is written, dear children?
Yes,
sir.
Yeah. So let me get into other thing now. Now the question is asked, that 1 mark question already I told you. Why does sky looks blue? 1 mark means due to scattering of smaller wavelengths like violet, indigo, and blue. So if they're asking why sky looks blue, and explain why sky looks blue and explain. If they're saying, what will you do? Tell me. Now, what will you do? First of all, explain means the complete thing. So what you have to write, the first point what you have to write is, Earth is surrounded by Earth is surrounded by Earth is surrounded by atmosphere. Earth is surrounded by atmosphere, which has smaller particles. Which has smaller particles. Correct? Which has smaller particles. First, this is the one. Now, second one, these smaller particles cannot scatter. I'm giving you complete detailing, okay? These smaller particles cannot scatter large wavelengths like what? Green,
Red.
yellow,
Green, yellow, and red.
green,
Orange.
yellow, orange, and red. Okay. These small particles scatter smaller wavelengths like what? Violet, indigo, and blue. Violet, indigo, and blue. Violet, indigo, and blue together. Violet, indigo, and blue together. Violet, indigo, and blue together gives a shade of light blue color. To the sky. So sky looks blue. Is it clear, dear children? Is it crystal clear, all of it, whatever I have written?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I hope it has to be very, very clear. If it is asked for a 1 mark, 2 mark, or 3 mark, then you should be able to explain. Will you explain?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right. Now sun looks red, right? So sun looks red during afternoon. Does the sun looks red during afternoon or what?
No, sir.
sun looks red during sunrise and sunset, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sun looks red during sunrise and sunset, right? Have you observed? Not exactly completely red, little bit of red, yellow, and orange mixed, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes or no? So, shall we see the reason why it happens?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. So, next question is question you have to write. What is that? Sun looks red during sunrise and sunset. Sunrise and sunset. Give reason or why. They'll simply ask why. Give reason. Look at this. This is a very beautiful concept. It is in simple words. So we have to explain again. Mother Earth. Let me draw Mother Earth a little bit smaller here so that the concept will become crystal clear. Here we have Earth. Okay. Here is the Earth. Okay. So now what happens during sunrise and sunset? Light has to travel more distance, no, from the sun. For example, this is the Earth we have. Okay. Then we have this horizon and all. Okay. During the sunrise, what happens? Sun is at very far distance, no? Yes or no? Sun is at far distance, no? I mean, this is like east, no? From east to west, the sun comes. I mean, east and he comes here, and here less distance is there. If he comes in the afternoon, middle. I mean, afternoon, how sun looks? He looks like a white color, no? Sun looks white, right? During afternoon, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, a little bit white color. Then after again I mean, sun goes to west means, I mean, in the west also during sunset, the sun will be looking red color, no, little bit red, yellow, and orange mixed, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So now here sun is there in the east, so large distance has to be covered. I mean, light has to come larger distance now. During this process, what happens? No, so during this process, all the smaller wavelengths. What are the smaller wavelengths? Violet, indigo, blue, and green. These colors are there. No, these are little bit smaller compared to yellow, orange, and red. So all these wavelengths are scattered away, dear children. What happens to all these wavelengths? They are scattered away. Clear?
Yes.
They are scattered away. Okay, sky is anyhow it is looking blue and all. That's a different issue. I explained that also. But during this process, what are the colors reaching us? What are the colors reaching us? They are like yellow, orange, and red, right? They are reaching us, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
These colors are reaching us, no? Clear, dear children? So these are reaching us. Okay. During sunrise, okay, same is the case with sunset. Okay, I'm only explaining sunrise. Same can be explained here also, sunset. Now, during sunrise and sunset, light has to travel more distance. During that traveling of more distance, all these smaller wavelengths like violet, indigo, blue, and green are scattered away. The only wavelengths which are reaching us from sun are yellow, orange, and red. Now, from sun, these are the only colors reaching us, means sun looks red, no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? Are you understanding my point? Whatever colors reaches us, that color only sun will be looking like, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
So whatever the sun is sending us, whatever sun is sending to us, that color only sun will be looking, no?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? Yeah. So what are the reasons you are going to give for this? The reasons that you are going to hear is during sunrise and sunset. During sunrise and sunset. During sunrise and sunset, light has to travel. Light has to travel more distance. Light has to travel more distance. So smaller wavelengths. So smaller wavelengths like violet, indigo, blue, and green are scattered away. Are scattered away. Correct? Okay. Large wavelengths. Large wavelengths. Like, right, completely okay. Yellow, orange, and red reaches. Yellow, orange, and red together gives a shade of yellowish red, orangish, reddish orange. Can I call it yellowish orange or a reddish orange, whatever it is, gives a shade of red color. We can just say red color, shade of red color to the sun. Is it clear, dear children?
Yes.
Yes. All right. It's not like all the sky is looking that color. Only some part of the sky nearby sun that is looking like yellow, orange, and red mixed. Correct, dear children?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So fine. So I hope it is clear. In Mahabharata also you have seen, no, that Karna shoots one arrow and he'll be forming one artificial sun. What is the color of that sun? The color of the sun is like yellowish, reddish, orange, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
All right. Fine, dear students. So this is what regarding your scattering of light. Yeah. Shall I go to next section?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now already the time is like 7:43. So if I share this document, no, dear children, this entire document will come to you. Is this okay? If the entire document is coming, it is good. No, Humana and colorful world continuously from starting onwards, everything you will have. Is it okay if I share the entire document?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Old
Yes,
things
sir.
will also come to old things will also come to you, and new things anyhow they are there. Beautiful it is there, designed and it is come to you. Okay, I'm going to share this. I'm going to share this document to you. I hope you're enjoying this class.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah, all right. So here is Kalpuraksha 10 class 22. So I am sending that. Help us by keeping this as your status and sending it to your friends, and also that there will be some marketing for us so that we can reach maximum number of people. This video, dear children, okay? You can help us through that way. All right, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, so I hope it is reaching you now. In another 10 seconds or 20 seconds or a minute, it will reach to you. I think it has reached you, that document.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
all right, dear children. All
Yes,
right,
sir.
dear children. Thank you very much for joining the class and have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Bye
Bye,
everyone.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Bye.
Bye,
Bye
sir.
everyone. Bye bye. Bye.